Hey everyone. If you're getting traffic but not enough sales, yeah, your Shopify checkout might be the problem. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize it for higher conversions. First, allow guest checkout. Forcing account creation adds friction and can push buyers away. Next, reduce unnecessary fields. Only ask for what you truly need. Fewer steps usually mean more completed purchases. Make sure popular payment methods are available. Yeah, cards, mobile wallets, and local payment options all help remove hesitation. Now add trust builders, security badges, clear return policies, and guarantees reassure buyers at the final step. If checkout feels slow, customers may leave, compress images, remove heavy scripts, and keep things lightweight. Turn on express checkout options like Shop Pay or wallet buttons. Yeah, this can dramatically shorten the buying process. Not every visitor will finish immediately. Abandoned cart emails and reminders bring many buyers back. Finally, keep testing. Small tweaks in layout, button text, or payment placement can noticeably increase conversions, and that's it. A smoother, faster, and more trustworthy checkout can seriously boost your sales. Yeah, thanks for watching.